going to Paris. So we're at the Eurostar station. We're going to the Eurostar to go to Paris, and it's gonna arrive in some time. But now it is 7:41, and it will arrive at 8, I think, maybe. So it's arriving sometime. So we're just waiting here until it comes. We can see a train already there. Platform 22221122. I think there's no numbers on that carriage. Just this carriage because you can see. Hoofddorp via Schiphol Airport. It says over there too. I was reading that. Train still not arriving. We have a board over there. Sprinter. Oh, I thought I was gonna say Eurostar. And there's a bus, and there's buses over there. And people are repairing the train tracks on that side, but you just can't see because a train's blocking it on the other side. So we're just gonna stay here. I'm gonna sit here and read this.
Om de andere reservatie niet te storen, vragen zij om je mobieltje te gebruiken op de platform tussen de restaurants.
Wonderful view outside. Oh no, it's a busy station in Amsterdam Central. So, let me take Jim's ad. I go to 12-hour hotel first, and now we're going to Paris, to IBIS Hotel. And this got lots of information about Amsterdam. 3-day journey.
Wil je weg gaan?
Look, the metro.